Hello everyone, today we have with us the VCool 3-in-1 selfie stick and we are going to check out what this looks like and how this functions. So as in the box you can see the selfie stick itself, and as you flip it towards the left side you can see some of the features I mentioned right over here. It has got wireless connectivity, 10 meter of range. It has also got 360-degree rotating holder. It is very lightweight and weighs just 113 grams. It has got a stable tripod and has a separate Bluetooth remote. On the other side, as you can see, it has got adjustable length of 60 centimeter. It has got Bluetooth 5.1. It is very durable and has stainless steel pole body. So without any further ado, let's just get straight to the unboxing. So here we have the selfie stick, and as you can see it comes in nice black color, and right here we have the VCool branding. This is our tripod which opens up like that. There you go, you can place it on top of a table like that, and this is actually the placeholder for our mobile phone, as you can see over here. So let's also check out how this functions. So here is the slider to snug in your smartphone. There you go. So now our smartphone is neatly snugged in. Moving forward, let me also show you a couple of features. So you can use it in the vertical mode like this, and can also use it in the horizontal mode by just pushing it towards the side like that. This stick can also be used as a selfie stick. All you've got to do is pull this like that and open up your camera, and there, as you can see, you're ready to click some beautiful selfies. Moving forward, let's also talk about the Bluetooth connectivity. So right here we have the Bluetooth button over here. You have to snap this remote out like this, and let's just quickly connect it as well. So you have to long press this button over here, and as you can see, a blue light will light up. Now your device is ready to be paired. So open up your Bluetooth, and there, as you can see, we have the VCool selfie over here. Pair it to your device and open up your camera. Now let's press this button over here, and as you can see, it's detecting our photograph and also clicking some pictures. There you go. So as you can see, this picture was clicked using this Bluetooth button. You can also use it as a selfie stick by extending this pole right over here and by pressing the button over here. There you go. That's all folks. This was all about the VCool 3-in-1 selfie stick. Thank you so much for watching the video.